Hello and namaste, it's me Dipesh. Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to resize the photo in out of Photoshop 7.0. It's very easy. First you have to select your photo like this. Then after that just click in move tool and drag from here like this. See, now this photo is too much big on this page. Now you have to click in edit and free transform, or you can press Ctrl plus D also. Then after that make the width percentage is 10% only. Okay, then make the height 15%. Okay, then drag like this. Okay, now it's done. It's very useful for PP size photo or auto size photo like this. If you are doing that kind of business, it will be very useful for you. Thank you so much.